Ladies, would you like to run? "28 degrees and a wind for the FitLab PGH Labradors." They're out getting their road work in because they understand that movement is a lifestyle, not an activity. Wind chill is about 15 degrees, so we're alternating being out in open spaces and going where there's woods so that we can cut the wind chill. Above all, we're moving at their pace, which is fartlek, a speed play. So we're doing a little slow jog here. At some point in time, we'll come to a stop. Make movement a lifestyle, not just an activity. Get outside with your good friends, whether they be human or four-legged. Another movement tip, lifestyle hack from the Labradors at FitLab PGH.